Hi everyone, Leo here, founder of Line Paper Products. I've spent a little over 20 years helping brands turn ordinary notebooks, books, and cards into the kinds of products people keep, gift, and photograph. Today, we're talking about a small detail that delivers a big lift: gilded edges. Why edges matter. If you've ever held a journal with gold or rose gold edges, you know the feeling. It looks premium, it feels special, and it instantly reads giftable. That's not an accident. Gilded edges are a thin layer of metallic foil or custom color coating applied to the outer edges of your book, blog, or card stack. Beyond looks, they seal paper fibers, so edges resist dust, light moisture, and fray. In short, more shelf appeal, better durability, and permission to price higher. Where gilding wins. 3 use cases where this finish punches above its weight. 1. Notebooks and planners. Pair a soft touch matte cover with warm metals like rose, gold, or copper. That combo screams modern luxury for corporate gifting or premium retail. 2. Business cards and invites. Gilded edges are a prestige cue in hand, and in photos great for launches, weddings, or membership programs. 3. Keepsake books. Yearbooks and commemorative photo books get that archive look without changing the inside pages. How the factory process works fast. Here's the 4-step flow we run in our plants. Clamp and align the block so the edges form one perfectly flat plane. Prepare the edge. Machine sanding, polishing, plus dust extraction for clean adhesion. Apply metallic foil with controlled heat, pressure, or Pantone-matched edge paint. Finish, peel, cool, light, polish. And if it's a metallic, add a clear sealant to reduce scuff and tarnish. Manual gilding is great for craft or tiny runs. Machines give you consistency, speed, and lower waste on scale. Options you can brief in metals, gold, silver, rose gold, copper, even holographic or satin foils. Solids, Pantone edge painting for exact brand matches, gradients, or marbling. Protection, clear coat on metallics if the product will be handled daily. Pro tip, soft touch black plus blind deboss plus rose gold edges is a top performer across multiple markets. For color-forward brands, do coated covers with Pantone edge paint and the Spot UV logo for pop. Buy a checklist you can paste into your RFQ. Thickness, target 8 to 10 mm block for visible edges. List page count and inside paper GSM. Stock, coated versus uncoated, changes color pop. Ask for same stock samples. Spec, name, the foil code or Pantone, and the gloss level reference. QC, request first article approval, plus edge straightness, scratch, rub, adhesion, and tarnish tests. Compliance, if it's a kids line or US retail, confirm. Prop 65, CPSIA, keep the paper chain under FSC. Cost, MOQs, and timing, realistic ranges. Expect a modest per unit adder that shrinks at volume. Edge paint lets you pilot small. Machine foiling is best for larger runs and repeat programs. Lead time impact is usually +2 5 production days for prep and curing. We often batch foiling across orders to keep both cost and schedules tight. Avoid these common pitfalls. Approve same stock, same color pre-production samples photos can mislead on edge gloss. Dark matte paints on fuzzy, uncoated stocks can look chalky. If you love the texture, consider a light seal. For planners that live in backpacks, combine radius corners plus gilding to hide scuffs. Match finish families. Warm metals with matte soft touch. Cool metals with gloss for contrast. 2 ready-to-ship concepts. Executive Luxe. A 5 planner. Soft touch black. Blind deboss logo. Rose gold edges. Ribbon. Elastic. And back pocket. Color match trio. A 6 notebook 3-pack. Coated covers. Pantone-matched edge paint. Spot UV logo. Great for brand kits or retail bundles. Wrap up. Gilded edges are one of the fastest, most cost-effective ways to lift perceived value, durability, and sell-through without redesigning your interiors. If you bring the brand palette and target price, my team will recommend the foil versus paint route. Spec the paper to support it, prototype quickly, and lock the QC so repeats stay consistent. If you want help scoping your next launch, or you just want a sample kit to compare metals and paints, reach me anytime. I'm Leo. You design, we deliver.